I'm fixing this turntable. It's a beautiful Philips from the late 70s, 212. And there are a few things wrong with it. It's in general, it's in good condition. The power button is defect and there is nothing you can do about that. Philips used a kind of plastic that doesn't survive the times, and by now it's turned into pulp. So every turntable you find now will either have a almost broken switch, and that will break the next time you use it, or a broken one. So I'm just going to bypass this one, not going to worry about it. And then the second thing that's wrong with this turntable is that the two dials here to tune in the speed for 33 and 45 don't work. Most likely this is a mechanical defect where the buttons don't fit into the potentiometers to do that, but we'll have a look. And the third thing is that it doesn't switch off at the end of the song. There is an LDR here that detects that the arm is near the end of the record and then switches off power, but that doesn't work. I know that the lamp works inside, but something must be wrong with the circuit. The good thing is that I've already fixed the speed buttons here, so these sensors work perfectly. Capacitive touch, the motor is okay, and it survived the times quite well, except those known things.
Good thing is that there is a service manual with schematic and with PCB layout. And the even better thing is that there is also an annotated manual. It's a bit more blurry than the original one. So to understand the schematic, I typically use at the original one here. But to see what's wrong and to troubleshoot, there is this annotated one. So this is from a field technician, I think. It has annotations and advice for the service engineer, and it makes the life really easy. In the next video, I'll open up the turntable, measure some important points like power supply, and then have a look at those points in the circuit that influence the things going wrong. Hang on.